Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 6 and question number 7. As in our last class we have done till question number 5. So the ratio between, we have to find the ratio between 81 and 108. So 81 is to 108. So let us write in the division method so that it will be very helpful for you all to find the ratio. I am using 3 to divide this both number. So 3 2s are 6 here, 3 7s are 21. So 3 27s is 81. It is getting divided. Now let us see whether 3 can divide 108 or not. 3 3s are 9, 1 in hand and 8 there, 3 6s are 18. So yes, 36 can divide 300. 3 can divide 108 with the help of 36. Okay, next. Still these two numbers can be divided, so we will go further. 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36, still 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 now further cannot be divided, so its ratio will be 3:4. Isn't it? Just a very simple thing we are doing here. Next is number B, 98 to 63. So we have to find the ratio between 98 is to 63. Again I am going to take the help of a division concept. Now again I will be using 3 to divide this number. No, 3 cannot divide because 3 3s are 9, 8 will remain and 8 cannot be divided by 3. So let us use the number 4 7. No, 7 cannot divide. So let me use the 7 only. 7 1s are 7. 1, okay, 2 here and 7 4s are 28. Alright, yes, 17 4s is possible. But let us see whether 63 is divided by 7 or 7 9s is 63. Yes, but further 14 and 9 cannot be divided. So the ratio will be 14:9. Isn't it very simple? Alright, so I hope you guys understood. This is the way of doing, this is the way of performing. Let us now further proceed to question number question number C, that is 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. So let me give you one idea about whenever you are finding the ratio, if there is a unit mentioned, then it should be in between the same unit. You can find the ratio in between the same unit only. If there is only the number, there is no unit, very good, you can directly find the ratio. But if you have got the unit and if the units are not same, then you have to make the unit same. Here the units are same, so no problem, directly we can go for the calculation. So 11 3s are 33, 11 11s are 121. So this is our answer. Alright, I hope you guys understood. Now here also the minutes are there. You have to find the ratio between these two. I request you all to do this yourself. Okay. Next, number 7, find the ratio of the following. Number A is 30 minutes to 1.5 hour. Now here, have a look. In question number 7, the question came which I was dealing with. That is, the units are not same. If the units are not same, then you cannot find the ratio directly. That is 30:1.5 cannot be done because they do not have the same unit here. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to convert either minute into hour or hour into minute. So you all know what is the value. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So let me convert 1.5 hour into minutes, that is multiplying with 60 into 1.5. You know how to deal with the decimal. In our previous question we have dealt in the previous chapter, that is in decimal chapter. So 10 6 is 60 and 6 into 5 15 is 90. Yes, 6 5 is 30, 6 1 6 7 8 9. So it is 90 minutes. So 1.5 hour means it is 90 minutes. Isn't it? Alright. Now our value, that is 1.5 hour, is in minutes. So I can directly find the ratio between 30 minutes to 90 minutes. This will be our exact question. Right? So whenever you are finding the ratio, no need to write the unit, as because their units get deducted. So 30s to 90 can be written. So 31s are 30, 33s are 90. So directly without using the division concept, I am finding the value here. Isn't it? 31s are 30, 31 is 30 and 33 is 90. So I got the answer. Alright, next 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here you have a look. Again the case is same, that is their units are not same. So first and foremost thing is you have to convert the you have to make your unit same. Okay, so you all know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter means it is 100 into 1.5. Points should be removed, 10 should be written in the denominator, 0 gets deducted, and 15 into 10 is 150 centimeter. Okay, now our 1.5 meter got converted into centimeter, which is 150. So the value is the value will be between you'll be finding the value between 40 centimeter to 150 centimeter. Okay, let us start finding. 40 is to 150. So this 0 and 0 directly we can divide. If we divide it, we will be getting only 4 is to 15. No further calculation can be done. So hence our answer is 4 is to 15. Okay, next 55 paise to rupees 1. I'm solving number C here. 55 paise to rupees 1. 55 paise to rupees 1. Again here you can see one is in paise, one is in rupees. So 55. So I'll be converting rupees. You know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, right? So 1 rupees I'm directly writing here into paise, that is 100 paise, 100 paise, isn't it? So 55 is to 100. We have to find the ratio in between. Okay, so 5 11s are 55, 5 20s are 100. So the ratio is 11 is to 20. Okay, I hope you got it. So the number D, the last one, will be a home assignment. Again here the units are not same, so I request you all first of all to convert it into same unit, and then you find the ratio. Okay, so I hope you guys understood this question number 6 and 7 very well. All right, so if there is any confusion, please rewind the video once, go through what I'm saying it. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.